Welcome to Course 5, the last course of the French Novice level. In the first 4 courses, you have been using the present tense and you were introduced to the most important rule of the French pronunciation, which is called euphony. In this course, you will learn other ways to use the present tense. In French, the present tense is used in a variety of ways. For example, to talk about anything that's happening as you're speaking, or to talk about habits, facts, and universal truths. But it can also be used to talk about either what just got completed, recent past, or what is about to happen, near future. You will learn the rules of the euphony, which is so important to the French pronunciation. The euphony affects the pronunciation by creating a gracious effect to the ear, a more harmonious succession of words that is so characteristic of the French language. You will learn all the rules that make the euphony mandatory, optional, or forbidden. From this course, you will find your pronunciation greatly improved, which will boost your confidence to a whole new level of execution and understanding of the French language. Completing this course will complete the novice level. So, let's get started.